Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to do some testing on the drag car before we take it to the track. So obviously, I need to get it out of here. There's so much stuff back here from the Pontiac build, whatever. We need to get it out. I need to hook up the water lines and stuff and fill it back up with water because it's not going to freeze anymore. But a couple things we need to test. We need to test to see if the exhaust fixed actually changes how well the turbo spools up. Hopefully it does. And then I also want to test launch control. I don't have the clutch switch hooked up yet, so I'm just probably going to put it on my CAN keypad. But before we go to the track next weekend, I need to do that. So before we really get working on it, I'm going to do all this. I'm not going to subject you guys to that torture. So I'll pick back up with you guys once I get it. I'll probably get the car swinged over in the front end, like right here, before we start working on it. And yeah, we'll hopefully have a good test day today. Well, we pretty much got it out of the back room. I got to take the dollies off of it yet. But we got to put some water back in this thing. So lower radiator hose, thermostat, all that's got to go back on. Upper radiator hose and put some water in it. And then if all that goes well, we can do some testing. Ooh, how much? Oh, geez, that's tight. Got to see how much E85 we have in the tank too. Do the easy upper hose here real quick. I think it's probably going to be easier to get this part on and then do the other part. Thermostat. I've already been laying on the ground enough today. It's not going to hurt me none to do it some more. I'm really getting frustrated about not being able to use my hoist right now about this kind of stuff. But, I mean, that's because of my own design. I've got a different car on it, not the hoist's fault by any means. I think it started. If not, it's cross-threading really easy. Alrighty. Water lines are back on. I've just got to run up to the house and get water, so I'm just going to do that real quick. And once we got it full, I'll start recording again. Got some water in there. Might have to go get some more, but I want to boot up the car and see if it starts up good. Oh yeah, we got to take the turbo cover off. Can't tell you how many times I've done that and wonder why the car keeps stalling. Owie. Oh, let's see here. 173, so the thermostat should be opening soon. Unfortunately, it looks like I don't have my camera in here, so I won't be able to film. Cool. We'll let this get up here a little bit, and then we'll run it up the road and see if anything looks goofy. Yeah, that sucks. My laptop keeps shutting off. So maybe the battery's dead, like kaput. I got it plugged into the thing right now. If that's the case, maybe we'll just test launch control right now. And then, yeah, I don't know. That sucks. There's definitely a lean in some spots, which kind of tells me that it's making more air. Let's see, how lean was it? Actually, it was like 30% off up here. Holy Christ. And then my computer just shut off again. I'm gonna let this charge overnight. We'll come back tomorrow and maybe see if we can get launch control working. And if we can get launch control working, then we'll maybe, I don't know. I think I'll have to think on it a little bit here. Because if it's not making the boost it needs to make, then there's really no point in going to the track, I think. So, okay. Well, we got some stuff done though. Well, so far my laptop's working with a full charge and everything like that. So we're gonna let the car warm up. I've got launch control all situated with this button here. This will activate it, and it's off. So we're gonna kind of just test it and see what it looks like. And I guess we'll just kind of go from there. If it all looks good, I think it might still be worth going to the track. Maybe we might not get as many pulls in like we did last time, but we can still actually potentially see what's happening. So, yeah. Well, everything kind of looks good here. Temperatures are operating temperature for water temp, 160 oil temp. I think that's probably good enough to test it. Got a set ignition cut right now, just with the same stuff that's in the haltech software. Yeah, I guess let's try it and see how it goes. And my laptop just shut off. Well, we did it long enough to actually test that it works, so that's cool. Well, I think it's probably worth going to the track next week, as long as I gotta wire the actual clutch switch to the haltech. That way we have it working, because right now I just have it on a button. I'm not gonna try launching, doing the button, doing all that stuff. I'm not expecting a whole lot at the track. I just mostly am thinking that we're gonna look at, I don't know, just testing, seeing how it runs. Hopefully pick up some time. Still on the stock suspension, still on the stock tires. So again, I'm not really expecting a whole heck of a lot, but yeah. All right, well, if you guys are looking forward to seeing more of the Drag WRX, I'm hoping to get out a fair amount this year compared to last year. But make sure you subscribe. If you're on mobile, there's the hype button down below. It helps a lot. And I'm trying to grow the channel as much as possible. I like doing this kind of stuff. And the more growth I see, the more ambitious I am, that kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time.